Ever wonder how some Shopify stores make their discounts and offers so eye catching? They are not just throwing text on the page, they are using strategic placements and design to grab attention and boost their sales. The problem is Shopify default text block for displaying offer and discount is pretty basic. They don't really pop. See, a simple 10% off is easy to miss. Today I am going to show you how you can add the custom offer badge block in your product page. That will definitely make your promotions irresistible and easy to maintain or can say update. Similar to other default blocks usually you customize in your Shopify store. This block let you showcase offers in visually appealing and professional way. You can highlight percentage off, free shipping deals and some another special deals, anything you want to promote. It's fully customizable and works seamlessly with your theme just like other default blocks. And yes, you can make it dynamic as well using meta objects and meta fields. I will show you in the last part of the video. Hello enthusiasts, I am Gaurav. Welcome to the Outbox Ads. Let's start the process. Don't skip a bit because this video is going to be really powerful and little bit tricky as well. So watch till the end. So first of all, you need to come on your theme section. You can say theme tab, and here you can see your live theme. And I would recommend you to make a duplicate copy for your testing purpose. When you will get succeed on your draft copy, you can copy the similar step to your live theme so that you will never mess with any of your code. So I will make the changes on this or direct on live theme because I know the process. Without further delay, let's click on three dots, click on edit code, and here we will make our first file, which is snippet, and click on snippet folder and click add a new snippet. And here we just start with our step with our dedicated, you can say, guide. So we will follow this guide so we can make the your offer badge easily. Okay, or even you can read these lines so you will get the point easily. So first of all, here is a file name is offer, so let's select the offers and click copy and paste here, click done. And here you need to add the code, so let's go. So you need to copy this code. So for this you can just click on this above empty space, just one click on empty space, even though the click is not visible, but for selecting just click on empty space and scroll down to the end of this block, and again press shift button and again click on empty space. For this you can easily copy the whole code and copy the code, Control C or Command C, and paste it here like this. After pasting, click on save button. You can close this file as well. And for step 2, come to asset folder and click add a new asset and click create a blank file, and here you need to give a file name. Let's go to our step 2. Here is the same, and the file name is here custom offers. Command C, copy, and you need to paste it here. Click done. And again same, copy the code, click on blank space just above this start text, press shift button and click on empty space so that you can copy all the code, complete code. You can copy this and paste it here, save the file. Okay guys, our two files are saved. Now let's move to our critical part. Okay, let's come to our step number 3. In this step we will going to edit our main product liquid file, which is our product file, and this file is responsible for to render our product pages. So you need to pay complete attention, because in this step we are going to edit existing main-product.liquid file. Every theme have this kind of particular file which is responsible to render your product page. It is also possible that the file name can be slightly changed from main-product.liquid file, but I observe most of the new theme have the same name of the file, which is main-product. So here is it, main-product.liquid. I just copied it, or simply you can search here main product like this, and you can see this is the file we are looking for. Mostly this file will be located under the section folder, so pay attention to this as well, right? So open this file. After all efforts, if you are unable to find the correct file name, you can WhatsApp me. I will help you to find the correct file. So for that, just click on empty space like this, and you need to open the search bar, command F, and you will see this search bar here, and you need to search some of keywords. First of all, you need to search this kind of keyword, so you need to select this when title and copy this and paste it here in find input, and click on next button, and you can see you will find this when title line of code. So we don't need to do anything with this, but just click on one line above on empty space. After that, press the enter to create a new line. After that, you need to copy this code from here and simply paste it here. Nothing to do with anything else. Do not delete any kind of object, any kind of text. Do not delete anything with this, because this is directly related to your product page. And you can save this. Again, you need to find the next code. So let's see. And here I already display the one by one, step by step, how you can find the code and paste the code. Step number 4. Now let's find this type title code of line in the same file. Copy this text. So let's find again on the same file this, and click the next button. You will see this kind of coding here, and for this you just need to click on empty space like this line 778. You can see here a one comma here. Just next to it, click here and press enter button to create a space only, and then go to your document. You need to copy this code as well. So again, click on empty space. I just display you this kind of bracket, so make sure you copy this bracket as well. So click on the blank space, come down and press the shift button and click on empty space. Make sure your both curly bracket with the comma is selected. Then Control C and simply just paste it here like this. If you see this kind of empty space, you can just click one delete button or backspace to remove that space, and click here save. This saves successfully. It means our file and everything is perfect, and if there is any kind of fault or you can say error, it will not save the file. It give you just an error like this. If I just remove this comma like this and try to save this, it will give you this kind of error. So it means you need to very careful to copy everything so that your file will get saved and ready to use. Now our coding part is completed. So congratulations, you did a really fantastic work, and this is a really hard work for non-developers, or you can say business owners. So if you did this, congratulations. And next you can click cross button, so it file will be closed and come outside. Okay, now let's see how we can add this block on our product page. So click on customize button. Before moving ahead quickly, I just want to inform you about my Shopify store development services. If you want to build a new professional Shopify store or redesign existing store or any other further tweaks and small customization, you can message me on WhatsApp. We will work to make any e-commerce store a possible better version. So say hi on WhatsApp. Thank you for your precious time and love. Here we just go straight our product page. So on your product page, come to your product section. So on the product page, simply we will add this offer block just above this variant block. You can reposition it as per your choice. So I just add block and search here offers. Here it is. And here you can see our offer custom block. Now you can customize it like other default blocks as per your requirement. To customize, click on it, and here you can change everything like text, color, coupon code, etc. You can change it here, just like offers available, and you can discount icon, you can select here this icon. You can see here, you can add this. And next you can see here is the badge number 1, which is this is the badge, and you can customize this as per your choice, or you can write text as per you want. Like this is the heading here, and this is the description here, and you can add coupon code as well. Like this, visitor can easily copy the code by clicking or typing on it. And you can also add a, you can say, accent image here, but I would recommend you to use only either a coupon code or creative image, because if you use both of them it will make a clutter here. So let's make it clear and neat. For badge 2 you can also write here, write your text, write your coupon information here, and we will select the image here, like these payment icons. Okay, I am using this svg file, so you can use too. You can see svg image file is edited here. Now let me just quickly fill all these 4 offers so that you can get complete overview idea. Alright, here is what our custom offers badge look like. Let's see on mobile device. It's mobile first design because almost every visitor comes from their smartphone. That's why I make this easy, engaging and effective. Visitor can easily get informed of your offers and grab the coupon code, etc. Also, you can add these 2 different blocks by the exact same process. Okay, as now we filled out offers information statically, and it's perfect if you wanna display common offers on all your products. Most store owners have these requirement, which is absolutely good. Now the next thing is, if you wanna display offer badges dynamically to the related products only or different offers, Then we can do that by using meta-field and meta-objects. To know more complete process, check this video. Also link in the description. Get the source code file link in the description. If you enjoy the video and learn something, please hit the like and subscribe button. Don't forget to leave your comments. Thank you.